I got gold bricks, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle.
Ooh-wee. Man. Actually, I had to wait till it got a little bit darker, actually. You can see that play of color going crazy in these black opals, man. This is a 6-piece custom black opal piece. Each one of these pieces, these bad boys here, are custom cut to the tooth. This client has came back 3 or 4 times, man. He's a good dude, man. Good, solid dude. So many people are just super patient and just have the mental capacity of an adult, man. And it really helps out, man, to when they understand how business works. And this guy was one of them. So he's got the Louis Vuitton grill from me. He's got the I Need Money grill from me. Came and got a custom ring made, spade ring, and just an all-around good dude. So play a color, you can pretty much see all those colors popping off inside of this piece, each tooth. Especially if you're in the dark. If you're in the dark, like say a club or something like that, these things will really pop out. You'll literally be in the dark and people will be like, what the heck is going on with this dude's teeth? How is his teeth just looking like that? Trust me, in the dark, it'll go crazy. Especially with the lights going off and stuff like that. What happens is you look at opals from several different colors. It could look pink, orange, red, blue, lime green, you know, yellow, peach, pink. I mean, look at those colors and they start looking at, it's just nuts. It's just nuts, y'all. This is why it's one of my favorite stones. When I was in school learning about gemstones, you know, you got sapphires, rubies, tourmaline, peridot, pearls, you know, diamonds, black diamonds, just so many different stones, amethyst, you know, just aquamarine, the one that comes out of the tree sap, which is called amber. Amber comes out of the ancient days, made out of like tree sap, amber, just so many different stones. But opal is one of my favorite because of play of color. Play of color is just like when you mix water and oil. You ever seen it underground? That's called iridescence. Makes that rainy type vibe. I mean, not rainy, that rainbow type vibe. That's iridescence. This is craziness. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Patterned around the teeth. And you see those gemstones are cut to the shape of the tooth. Make that based off of your teeth. Each one of these stones had to be hand cut by master gemstone cutters to make it fit your tooth. See this covering up pretty much the whole tooth, and it's not going to make your lips stick out either. These are beautiful, beautiful piece. Gemstones can be, these are more black opals, but we can do them in white opals. And you'll see you can get these matching with pendants, chains, rings, if you're an opal type person. I've had a lot of people since I posted this ask me about this, so I already know it's coming. I will be posting this in the description. You will be able to purchase it if you want to get this directly. These run about $500 per tooth, guys. Pretty expensive, but it's a custom at its finest, custom grills at its finest by yours truly. You see, we even give you those deep perm cuts in between each one of those teeth, polished, so you can see the beauty of those teeth, man. Person got very nice teeth, and you can see it's fitting to perfection. We make our things to where they fit like gloves. You can wear them for years. As long as you don't lose your grill, you can wear your grills. So thank you everybody for supporting the channel, supporting the team, the group, the family. We got a few disgruntled customers, and somehow these grill customers take disgruntled to a whole new level. So authorities are on deck. You know what I'm saying? We're not doing no street. This is not a gang. This Seattle Grillz is a business. It's not Fred. It is a business. You know, the jealous people out there, man, they get focused on one person. But this is not a person. This is a company. So you see the way that one right there has those sparkles? So many different colors. It's ridiculous. I'm going to go slow so you guys can see the way those colors pop off, y'all. This one right here is going to move a lot of people towards the opal grills. I already know. Trust me, my channel's going nuts. Inbox is going nuts. Mostly from people, you know, they got the questions. So if you have, and you want to see, look at this one right here, man. You see the way that color's popping off. That's what I'm talking about opals. You never know the way light's going to hit it and what's going to happen. Man, I could turn it here and it's green. Turn it there, it's red. Lime green, purple, blue. You know what I mean? The most craziest grills ever, y'all. I love it. These ones are faceted on this side too. We did something very special for this one because we know what we're doing. The teeth have to be done right, man. And you would see the way these are just ridiculous. This is 10K gold right here too, guys. But it's nasty, nasty. One of my most favorite grills of all times that we've done. And I'm so proud of how it came out. You guys feel free to tell everyone, at least 10 to 20 people that you know, to subscribe to our channel. Let's blow this channel up together, y'all. It's us that relies on you guys. We're at about 3,200 right now, but if y'all tell 10 people, that's man, that'd be like 30,000, you know. So man, please tell everybody y'all know about the channel, man. Help them subscribe to the channel. Please, you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And just, man, stay tapping in. When you guys drop in the comments, feel free to let me know where you're located at. Let me know how long you've been supporting and those type of deals. Thank you everybody that been leaving the super chats in the lives, man. Leaving us some funds to help us build the channel. That really helps out as well. Keep it up, y'all. Keep helping us build, and I will never forget you guys. As long as you guys tap in, tap in. Be easy, y'all, and stay safe. These are the grills of 2021. I'm about to make a lot of people happy with these. Oh, nothing like it. Beanie Siegel song, go check it out. It's nothing like it. There's nothing like it. Old school Beanie Siegel. That album that had Beanie. That one. But yeah, shout out Beanie Siegel. Anybody out there in the Philadelphia area know Beanie Siegel, tell them Fred the Jeweler said what up. Big fan. All right, guys, tap in. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Jump to the comments so YouTube knows it's real up in here. And I will definitely reply. Haters, you can do the same too. That allows us to get rid of you, man. Really appreciate it. Because when they hate, man. They hate. They do not want to see no black man coming up, especially in the jewelry industry. Mostly our color. It's always the same color against the same color. Asians against Asians, Jews against Jews, Italians. It's not just blacks. We just take it to different extremes. Maybe we don't. But that is the facts. Thank you everybody for supporting the channel. You guys are amazing. The comments are ridiculous. The support is outstanding, outlandish. Man, I just keep showing these things so you guys see the artwork, man. Even between these teeth, those are made with some things that leaves a lot of scratches in there. But you see that it came back and went over with that high polish, even in between the teeth, y'all. No sloppy work right here, man. No sloppy work. This is excellent, excellent. The way this turned out, and it is beautiful. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, man. Hope you guys having a blessed week. This is insanity. Stay up, y'all. Stay positive. Stay blessed. And I look forward to hearing from you guys. Look forward to working with you. Peace out.
I got Gold Grillz, slug up your whole clique. BUD and cash, spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grillz, tighter than rose clips. Send you a mo kit, send you a mo kit. I got Gold Grillz, slug up your whole